So this is where we are right now. We are starting our journey towards Leh from Atal Tunnel. It's 6:30 in the evening and we'll be stopping at Jispa today, and then tomorrow morning we'll continue towards Leh. This is how the view is looking like right now. You can have a look. And then we are heading towards Jispa. Thank you. Right now we are at the Sada barrier, Sada development fee barrier, and we have to pay, get a ticket for 200 rupees for a car. It depends on the size of the car, and thereafter we are proceeding again. So this is Tandi. This is the last petrol pump where you can refuel your vehicle before reaching Karu, which is just 30 kilometers behind Leh. It's 8:30 in the night and we are stuck in a long traffic jam. It had started from Kelong, and on our maps it is showing that it will take another 40 minutes to reach Jispa. See, you can see two dogs at the end of the herd to protect the herd from severe predators like wolves and snow leopards. Dear viewers, please like and subscribe to the channel, and make sure that you leave your valuable feedback in the comment section below. So this is what we have got on the way to Jispa. We are right now in Kelong and we are stuck over here. So we are witnessing for the first time so many sheep on the road which are causing an obstruction to our movement. But somehow, because of the help provided by these herdsmen, we are trying to get through. So finally, after at least half an hour, we are through and again back on the way to Jispa. So see you there. So here we are, 8 kilometers away from Jispa. So here is an important tip for everyone who is coming to Leh Ladakh. You can drink a lot of water. Make sure you drink at least 4 to 5 liters of water a day for better acclimatization. So there are two routes which you can take. One is the route via Srinagar, Jammu Kashmir, and the other one is via Manali. It all depends on your comfort level, which route would you like to opt for. Now on the other hand, for oxygen related issues, for breathing related issues, you can carry one oxygen can which is available on various websites online. You can carry the can, you can inhale pure oxygen from there if you ever feel out of breath. And the other thing that you can do is carry kapoor or camphor and keep smelling it regularly so that you feel better and you do not feel breathless. It is 6th June today, 6th June 2026, and I just wanted to tell you that the temperature right now at 9 o'clock in the night, it's 10 degrees Celsius and it's pretty cold outside. So make sure that you carry enough jackets and layers to keep yourself warm. This is to inform you that the road conditions till Jispa are pretty good. The roads are in very good condition, except a few patches here and there which are negligible. Otherwise, till Jispa from Manali, the roads that have been built by BRO are exceptional.